agus fáilte Thig Na Seansálaithe!
Súil go mai is mu Hugh me gile cheara agus tá an seo libh ar fád an seo ag an picnic lectra a ríis. Hop an picnic lectra in tSráid Walla. Is sin Gaeilge? Tráid Bála Sraith? Na bre Gaeilge tugamsa. Na bhfuil se có jazz. Is mu Hugh me gile cheara jazz búlú libh ná si bheith eáil go háirí na muir nachfuil Gaeilge bí acus de géir take de hispant an sin na daoine is fearr go gaiite cinál go raibh mór thortaíofa. Tá an seo marascra le muid cólaci le muid Gaeilge ar dúspáir tá an seo le Áine uair. Áine, go dtí mar tú?
Tá Íntas as bheith rás tá sé galanta bhain seo tá sé cóté me chraoladh ach I gompart an nuirí, gompart leis an washout sin a bhí agad nuirí cóáasta ní thuglam bheith Eagrán.
Yeah, I mean, you hook bheith Eagrán. Don't think growth in muscle chicken punch shot and area get a ham shot. I don't think.
Ní much a kind to nurry, all right. Ní much go
I think growth in muscle labby. As a country far enough fighting and labby to my shaw faster like James. Oh, Fáilte. Jimmy that.
Ah, come on, yeah. We'll end it off the pink moon. Get a lab or something? No, okay.
And motive Áine bhí agad to the Jerry shotting omlan is just caihíma amsú dinge at the chun méid lách shas a pink moon so go to an glamping a dhéanú.
Yeah, to my just get a espresso glamping of uaháin a heel gan écair. So to my get a goisteach bolle le Colin fair come a fóca réidir to my just get a label in the nacht.
Tá sé rá hana hin or margin, you know, tá sé cinnte go méis fan le Colin not. Ní hégur sé colour lehi, tá sé just a gurí a labby comfort that she's a pink moon. Yeah. So ní bhain Colin fáil rud a bhí maithe seo.
Well, you should córa agus cóladh le James. Na bhfuil aon dinge I gcairí córa le James a gcónaí.
Bheith sé srannaí le tamar fad.
Oh my God, James Sraith is like it's like
just means my goal.
Sorry, okay, sorry. Also the thing be because Curtis Cash drawing na hati shot caiú tam caiú hati ó radio Fáilte am Fáilte agus test ik or just the deal na hati shot like chuig €1 the thing be take geisha leis an taifead tam caiú can ag Jern leid níos bala cliame which is fair, so true. James Jarncha Horace agus Áine Jarnchi Gaeilge Olu Owain.
Red hand of Ulster.
Red hand of Ulster, baby.
Yeah. Come on, Martin. Gaeilge all the sexy like. That's come on, and Mrs. Come to fuck like that. Come on.
Bye, Dad.
Arish, Caker ask and Claire to go forward being like buzzing down Gaeilge Olu.
Yeah.
I mean, it's ban Ola in my coach follow me. It's 7-3 Cahiru or Chuig Ola. Mommy more going all agus burt chance is more elo o hero agus on dún. Níl fuil an chláir gom is as gon an chláir me ag.
Tá sé cosla na Yanks tá sé like tá me sé is airnach mé tá mé tá me sean ahar as
Bhí cat mo dhear for aware.
Well, a leid atá angin an rá go bhfuil si as ácha difriú. Tá sé completely Brennan's bread. Tá má inbred go má cho Conamara. Cearú mo iade, móhad as smog. Rá hismóí móhad ro smog agus móhad mo iade as let's mód. Like chaach tú cloch is a chrát.
Sin áhan den ó Conamara na bhí.
Yeah.
Conamara born and bred. Sorry, go leisceal. Brown arm. Sorry. Go leisceal. Johnny good mask me sin suas a gcónaí. Bhí an chéim atógin don Eagrán seo, bhí muid cinál switch go déh muid gar dhéanú agus hanig seo ó bhí córa ógan ar an pod craiú. Obviously bín si for Fáilte Gaeilge podcast ana le chatting ar naine ag an éilthg ar Spotify agus sin beá ar Radio Rira. Ahanam lam. But bhí muid cant faoi go armsa fólam cén dóid le river dance anu. Agus muid gar smuitiú, well, Jay no, ní hiagla mé anu nas. Tá muid genú pod craiú, ní féidir a dingi eáil, nó tá muid genú.
Tá muid mé angin an bheith stúrú nó éistóirí.
Audio captions anu le haid David Attenborough style.
Oh, is stepelle. So snéir, chos.
Sílim go gad teas fan do gine go dé a fólam hegat.
Come on.
Tá daoine gar eáil.
1 second.
Go she's no.
That's
an hour done. Look, come on.
Come on, Mike from the Glock. Jeez, it's just because the Michigan Gary of a audio file and shows Gary. By arms and Rucha on Agri Badger? Yeah, I'm not getting you. We'll figure that out. This one. No, so not the Doma. Okay, there's bar Kaitin and Costa Kerma, La Costa Shaw. I know the one Jenny Shaw, Jira, us core and speak or monitor Shaw. Kaitu a Kerma or Shaw or Deuce. Agus and Shane, Jenin to count a couple of step more Shaw. couple of step mar shot. So actually eat that fuss. Well, so Urgent that fuss it, and then we should like, all right, which Conan call the Herschelnish, and it was like, as like machine gun feet or whatever. So ni veins it and then any Mars guard. So yeah, but we get the book the shot gallery, get the cost was in gloon. We get the book the kind of shuffling fast, not like LMFAO, but like kind of the cost get the book that shot. I'm telling you, listen, tap dancer mission is sort of Roma more, but yeah, it's professional river dancer mission-ish. So mele fecal.
Yeah, well, Camel's going to echo their fat.
Yeah, you made a West. In option, hope to certain mansplained version the Dowsa Gaeilge did.
Mansplained.
Like not taken to because I could just know Nadini in Aaron in a couple of round Dowsa Gaeilge in a seal. Couple of
I don't know, man. The couple of
that was the Dowsa Gaeilge says the doesn't change to do Ken Doyle 1 2 3, you know.
Yeah. Well, me shot on why he's ditzy, you know. There's a on the A story box the Shansnack where Shansak who la Goller instead. Or this is Dowsa Gaeilge real James.
No.
Ni cried him who?
No, actually you're on it. Like Abram go mach damser balls fact to go roch kleam.
Vi genu Connemara shuffle do so rare, but the guy shouldn't hash man winning.
Shin cost a euphemism. Shin cost
Sean Doi wine she'd marag on the Mara. She attachment do.
And Doi wine she'd marag on the Mara.
Yeah, is it not just a tracker and you from raw, so this is Nisha go so
Cap Michigan Connemara was just showing the family tree. Shin Doi we should be to like
Nico Carrick was coach it'll do.
How much basically, you know much call Garra. Basically. Then focus on basically general line.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Jesus Christ. Keep it in your can't keep it in your pants, keep it in the family.
The momager and phodchraoladh.
The momager, yeah. Chris Jenner. Chris Jenner in the Gael. Absolutely. Sorry, so
Hulamud's do hidden talent.
Well, yeah.
But
oh, sorry, come on, let's go. So Shinner, yeah, so Gary Caspi, hidden talents.
Kid do hidden talent.
So show Canada Killian Lomermagin to me to Rud
Well, can't go shot hish banner stats.
Rud to be a cloistear is come a cake of the Hugh Sadini. So we miss a Molly or rare Meli Hartulani do. Or Meshtani earplugs. Agus fós vi ma to cloistear Gerland altosa ag an campsite agus go to ag leor le Killian.
Yeah.
Agus an sin cool be cora adder foi Fáine foi le.
Oh shit, yeah.
Agus Kira, well, they say ne California, ne Arturska California, mar you know, ni ma abdikas and dara the gnam kena, but so Kate, Blian, Ella, as we tussera, oh yeah, sure, but Haynes, James, and the bridesmaids,
yeah.
Sorry, the thing we now will talk to any Shulamala Buhukar Sakila 8 Blian and what he calls Agus Domestic is James basically Gary Party. Domestic Gary kosher more.
The sheets of the gear and post and he's one of my hands.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, I'm sure raw fresh in Leling COVID me all new parties anger in COVID, so you know, disappointment.
Take the hit, like, you know what I mean? Like,
yeah, exactly.
Take the hit.
Take the hint. Kill him.
No, hit. not take the hint. Take the hit. Just be past this. So going mudging in on party more.
So kill the hidden talent.
Well, vi marag is come rather be a cloistear. Acta ken ela go come I. So I don't know in Quivenlive and add Cadbury's a honey ma harter during Jacob blin Jago hin anish as vi the bogu na Mali. So clockty mishin na mo yaher an urchin go me albate anu kinda.
Wait, what's that? But Jana mission or and will this on anu in arm. Oh my god.
I mean, vi sé gente okushin like ni ro sheets na ashia you know.
Yeah, Croak has to have the experience Grigarash. So the and dice eyebrow dance yeah on Cabri Road.
Brona, clockty much off when you had like 3V.
3V to the heel. So die shocking. Wow. Yeah, that's
talented.
Talent is a strong word, but yeah, that's what blue boss. That shit. What the hell? Bring me some mansplaining a river dance because how we're much ain road the good Shannon and you go with the Marley she's all sorted. James Suller engine to the hidden talent and very much and Bucks of Heart. So the Bucks of going la pepper agus ahanut la pepper agus Sean Mamager in the chart to us. Sorry to give it. Do you want to give it? Hanik she la ho always here. Well they be her lock loan saku hig EP like Kata ho always shin.
Crisp rolls like it
crisp roll.
Rolls.
What a fucking icon, absolutely. My who. Doc Ratchet. So, agus James Avenue, my who, yeah. James Avenue, a hidden talent. Tá muid gar gur cloisian muid cadé na hidden talents atá agah se.
Ní gádaí bhainimicha chur leis manúil se bhgéirí ach seans go muid amach cé a tábhatánar déanana go bhí. Mar tá muid cósáic sin.
But James, cadé an hidden talent atá agad se? Well, Jaring sa an glór binne tugad. I don't think we'll see dingy go to inta mai ceol.
No, ní man ní chasin cáneal ní sin so ní hin talún. An talún, bhí me sé actually creamnú go mór ar a talún seo, mar cheam gur oring a dhéine státe. So, ach sin dúrúlum go rá talún am, me na chuma go Morocco, bhí me spríthart agus bhí me cirín duna airist béidir cúpa duine tá sam fúb agus Ceappa mise go man an amsir I léamh I trí chanúns na héiring.
Sin brag allwar. Sin brag an allwar. Like you're swinging for the fences and shaw. Because like an amsir is ho dali la shane.
Yeah.
But like but lay yanu gone green screen fast and you're laying green screen looking in shaw.
Yeah. Ach ceap mise go sibse actually gonna really ní.
Well, rinne mission mochian.
Yeah.
No Mali, tá mission an Mali like.
I can do go to Jack Nicholson.
That's what Bully Boston the Mali is saying, Gary. For God's sake.
Tá mis Gary Chocolate Shop.
Yeah, tá mis Gary Chocolate Shop fasta. Tá mis Gary Facalness shit already.
We should be gera an amsir lárach at teacht way electric an picnic letrach.
Yeah.
Whew. Okay. Agus a seo is ar a Sraith bháile, dá muid an seo agus tá sé ag scoilte na gloch can Chonamara. Agus níos mas gaiir sus go hír chonal in is agus tá sé ag scoilte na chloch fadúda. Iontoch. And then go with she's go call into the moon agus tá muid a seo tá muid an is a seo ag dangan ní chúis ní tá mórtí nimí is tá muid a seo ag gimmert caitin is seo agus gui in ír ngas it tíocht nún is an nál agus mise libnis sinna doch Yoshi.
Yeah.
So, come a couple columns at all, but I think they doing all accounts for them.
Well, shouldn't count as massa, isn't it?
Yeah, she go back.
Ach, it's just kind of leprechaun.
Certain appropriation or you look at the
Yeah.
If I do that, will rather be hello good.
Will you know that in your interface?
Well, nothing for the Shin.
Because the leprechaun book and Shin, the canich ulta via good.
Short king. Is Short king who?
Yeah.
Above average.
Above average king.
Above average for Irish male.
Yeah. So then Buxu go fall.
5'11" on a good day.
Then Buxu go fall go the heart.
I can't you go hand on a third scale bug doing.
Yeah. Well, ein hidden talent think be sassed the Hishbrand and Ish. Well, ein Jay, are there thing got rather be?
Is Will?
Can a wine
you wine? Anish, come on.
Oh.
She'll come here and count the island. Mama Jerry Haynes. She'll go a couple of hidden talent.
It's phase rinke bolg, you know. She'll belly dance.
Rinke bolg.
Can't get belly dance, you know.
Belly dance. Rinke bolg.
Can't you know rinke bolg, you know.
Anish lads, he got to shinarags gane anu like. Come on, like.
So my gark and Áine, but like.
Ní mis scrúsin.
Ní mis an poker face and shows. Ní mab the.
Ní mis scrúsin.
Ní an Hugh and rinke bolg gzi har meal niche.
Could you be a word to say a fetish shot because the mission absolutely stooky and hammer font.
Oh, we rod jazz so gonna for the Berlin kebabs so gonna
KJ kebabs.
Berlin kebabs.
Berlin kebabs.
Yeah, now hitch latter.
This is a kebab, yeah? You like a kebab? Yeah? What's a kebab?
Die moet je couple of klikken ga je ze Strad Ballyin and sort pub or shot the Tokyo ku.
Sorry, an etch is fair.
Yeah.
It's a camp.
Vi sé inta vi kjoler shulan as a gen vi moet je couple bjanta velgen so kommer le kebabs velgen as vi sé.
Well, a Strad Ballyin fekig thing vi, which is fekig of like king size. Such a fucking mental. Like it's like
it's pub.
It's pub bug, but like being like trad sessions because I had that goes the ancient.
A root fui vi Espers into gamse so strawberry in go dí a hosa ceang go na act a casa agus
what
hosa casa and then dúcha tá bronam term Mike a hocrú me duine ísisiúil bhíán agus a block tí gar hí fi an chormach agus a misiste han agus gléitir Short King sa fi an sin agus sin gan áras dús ma yes Short King leis a fearr státe agus stop se casa agus lití ringe se like handshake lom os cór cholóne. So go éon bhean a bhí sa strapbelly in. Ní ma actually go bug sin. Like
well listen, Atní and Short King Elam or Jerther and Shanachel.
Yeah.
You know? Roast big Brave in the Woods faster. If you mission Shinder for like second.
No.
And it's just like or ní worth the chance call.
See, ní is a keel though. Like.
Huh?
Ní is a keel. Like be this a sober cholerud bill. I saw níad funnivad like go like cholerud. Bhí me sé is trána lum 10 agus cholerud. If you ma can't ag go ig.
No.
Ní am bin is me go ma for shout.
James cos le lanúbh character mani here bhí sé fuair.
Cos le lanúbh.
Bhí sé craiú bhí sé go fuair. Bhí labí óir just ní rosa mohuínta.
Bhí sé freeze already though.
And there's the 5 James Leo, so we'll see how we get on, Lasha.
No, I think we'll just give no show, right?
You're me Leo did.
Fogger in road there, Nina.
Oh, go on. Kate out with the Fogger ear and roll there, Anu. Go on, got you to us. Got you to us.
Using a microphone.
Sure.
I'm sure cloistear.
Yeah, put the boss board on that.
Oh!
Gin time tart. Cheese mordich. Orla Dovnia. Oran Dovnia. Sure, look, right. So, Jaron to go to non-Irish rail announcement to Yanu, as Gaelic. Sais mai. Ein etch Gaharia, ein like...
Cool and Tudra.
Cool and Tudran. Okay, well, fun second. A Harja Gael, Shawway, but took a bit in sound effects, or do so. Sorry, and but just Yanu.
Boom, boom. Tamajik teacht is teacht, cool and Tudra. We're coming into Port Arlington. Please mind the gap.
Yeah, my
Woo! You shouldn't eat that.
Teshar Fod and Shad and Jerry Shachting Omlan. Mata ein Irish rail needs ugad. Mata the Gary Vay railed. Shy and far. Levy. Allah. What? Jay. Kane Kate and Ellen Shaw.
You know, paid a show mental. I thought some Gomaki Scriffit. So, is Phaser bra a chud a chalín le lábháin ach ní Phaser am want.
So is Phaser something you saw?
Phaser's din seo bra chud a ban ach ní Phaser leis a want.
And what much nonchalant yenu and Shaw? And we'll count again dingy glaku brad.
I think Moch was Kilonine cancelled me.
Seeing a message from Canchin, yeah, no, need to.
But the thing be Saturday, Gary yenu. Leis a bra glaku or commercial.
No, be go pervy.
Jaron Shashin earn rods.
Yeah, but those are any volunteers, like.
Yeah.
Moving forward.
Sorry.
Abroad you have anyways, so.
Right.
Jaron.
Aaron Shashin is Phaser on both Galahoyal.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
It's Phaser on Green or there be a cottage on air. As I think
Cater
we're saying
Hey, sure. What you show?
Well, be a hang.
He can be a good.
Gagey, Martasco,
Kate, so
well, Eki, go just say
well, bite for the alcohol roll.
So to this non, so Makayim to suas be a saner, but this non Cosla Roan. Yeah, go on, Polly. Okay, to do be a. Aru skittle, Jesus, can I just have it to him?
What's that go the roll?
It's a Phuball.
All right. Gary after the position.
Get over, yeah.
Not gonna look to arms him on a point. This is shot. All right, and jiggling like clap, like Icelandic clap out, like do. Oh! Best of three.
Yeah, Garby Sella.
Huh? Okay. Oh my God.
It's all right.
All right. Shaw was all right. Okay. Ready, come on. Yeah.
Oh! He's not get this man.
Oh my
God.
You. Sorry. Come on, you.
Loved it.
Glockchen lad. Oh, sorry. Just kite man orange in her lad box. Oh my God.
Tussy food fight in Shonish.
Nah, don't threaten me with a good time. Jenny may will ain't talent else.
To my folks screen rink a bullock show echo.
Yeah, Kate Durch failed douse the ball again. Kate Durch belly dancing.
Well, this is chance in so go.
Shaw. Ní hé mishiton.
Kaitin na cromana wogan teo gateo.
Yeah, so was a kind of belly dance.
Belly dance.
Our arms the farthest run the far. Do
trying
you
to fight
think the ring was a real belly dance in my real like? Come on, like bit of cop
Far
on.
from
Like
belly dancing you were raised.
oh, far from belly dancing I was raised, can't you? Absolutely, genie man. Ken Acton's most the Gary Echo again Jerry Shachting Shaw.
Na act. Go on.
I'm actually excited at Tom O'Dell.
Boo!
Agus Paolo Nugini.
Okay, Paul and
Agus Na Seansálaithe doctors as the wolf tones. Still go more lotion ekel chnona.
Sorry, Wolf Tones EP is in Rod is iconic or Holma Rio.
Sheilum go me an electric arena row vogdov. Shein go me many small dini chin na ve Gavin James I can freestyle.
Well, Ogart will Gavin James and Shaw. Go Shaw.
Yeah, Gavin James for Phuball Gaeilge.
Yeah. I heard you go Gavin James. And Shaw is
He's special though.
He's special, oh my god, sorry, yeah. Yeah, Bishop massive, being the wolf. Nish came much bit Kurma though, because not just generally taifead or the slúite. Because you much Gary be cancelled, like, do you know what I mean? You know, like in Fern Aaron, and Fern Naban, agus a couple of things, and they're Further Grimmar who Jenu and the Celtic Symphony. Do you know what I mean? So kind of we'll aim with the Shafhana Classant, any protection like what you've done.
Well, Neil Gafol in the wolf tones are tall in the saw doctors, ta earplugs they're hustling to the casa the green or red mayo.
But it's banger, eh?
Banger, yeah, but it's fuck mayo.
James just get the book sour, Mardushiak James or Majin, like Colleen, Kanu, saw doctors same way the Phuball. Ish Gradil, Shinum na Nyahi and Colleen show Lee Curvey.
The Joy's Country Katie band never sounded worse. Ocht Ermadin.
Ocht hug.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mish Mohola like I shouldn't just like like kitchen was she gikye was she casa I don't know kitchen.
She'm go she buzzle. She know the sheer her sakiyen.
Well vi her sakiyen my. Well vi barbershop quartet nakalamo fobulsa. So
she know the gushy does her imagine.
She know the way she miss her imagine like like the grad never been to a Fáilte. It's like shan lad like guitar. It's like thingy genu Oasis not could be road or whatever. Waskell missions to us and it was bum 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 baby on. I was like what? Come on Ashgal. But it was like Fihaku. Feel like army booked the barbershop singers.
So knee barbershop quartet to be on.
It was like barbershop fucking octuplet and everything. Not tentuplet no could be fuckle
Kate does the súil ekel
to make sure the idols will think be called like idols, yeah, some knowing nods. Idol heart. Well, after I don't think about some of idols. Idols is like hard punk, like rock, like lad more, like crumble more. You actually Architect Costa James actually snaring your but just like topless and like scrada like lacan. Whoa, shouldn't think it. And obviously Super Katie Foster, Super Katie got a Shaw. So can we just attack it toward on the Gael?
What's good to them are really soonish.
Jay.
Vi can an Eric mai, vi gospel choir should imagine.
Yes.
Agus vi and in a catcha as just he should cheese and ver.
Yeah.
The gold cup and coffee or whatever. Imagine Johnny as sort of hug shed bio doing a leg reach. We should go jarfa just gone to vacation lesh as big corella on imagine Amara reach so. I think her weight is again Afrin. I think her mix up is a Swiss electric picnic lesh Afrin. Oh my god, vi shan lad like leor just scoring slow. Talking about in lad and Carpenter Shaw.
Spiritual awakening in EP.
I mean, inflatable church aku.
I know.
So if you can't so much shin, agus higla could be made dingy agus is fager fall pasta and shin. So huckle and true uganye a ve pasta. Like a married Bill Majinga Costa Bill James like David Hay in the Gael. He would just be like like running the triple game like a Cave and Gate. But in Yanashin, and Yanni Muchin, around much and Puball.
Nah.
Bill Amber Doy again.
Moving on. Tim Jamie Webster record.
It'd be real to me, you know.
I mean, need Vegas I shot. Need actually.
What? Need Vegas.
Saudi opposed to.
What on first are technically ordained freshen like
yeah.
So. When would all go actually full smooth in the egg and that?
Is Sired me. Is Sired me. It's very no, genuinely, no, that is Sired me. Like
yeah, but the church of fucking life.
Yeah. That beats the form of them. The certificate of them, Loreg, of the Shaw, yeah, new like.
And we'll call her Big Banagut.
Yeah, but it's like a Karawat. It's just like those clip-on ties, basically. Shinna rolls on. And it says priest for hire. Shinna rolled the Yaran shop.
Priest of life.
Church of life, I'm telling you. It's fair to me, I think you're carting a Yanu. I think you're carting.
Sure, why not?
Yeah. Cén banna ceáil ar bhaid libh sibh se eáil, cén banna ceáil is mó, bhfuil daine, which act do you want to see the most, cén daine which gary eáil. Na bí Algarve. Wow, okay. Tá má sésta go na mutes ar fad. En seo.
Ní don go daine ó hastal bheith an seo. Ag bhéile ní si de súla ar bíacail.
No, bhí sé just ar muta fada.
Well, so the Fred again on the nut. Fred a rééis mar chuirtar sa Gaeltacht.
Tá na coronas ar siúla gnám dear céine le Fred again. Tá leor clashes aniu leis an schedule.
An bhfuil tú Gary eáil the coronas though?
Ní aici mé riúid, sin go mission tain éarnach na cuaci riúid.
Ní act in the coronas.
Yeah, so just
I feel like a wine thing
circa
like government subsidy like on the coronas. I think a guy to like ticket if I eat to la high in the coronas eáil.
Just caihí mé dhéanú cai mé tical.
Speaking of subsidy, a bhacha aontaine an sign aontoch go Tahisa Trailer Park. It's like RTE.
Yeah.
Agus like redneck television a hearing. Agus hosted by Ryan Subsidy.
It's just been McGoney Guial ma Kate eat the Dini Huckering sushi.
Oh, neither sound, but that person deserves a raise. That's brilliant.
Take caravan karaoke on Fáilte.
Yeah,
And it's like tiny caravan go like all the Seachtainí karaoke anu.
Agus the couple, the ponies agus Maddie
Yeah, it's greyhounds.
The couple acu.
Yeah.
Mini horses.
Sort Shetland ponies bugger cool. Now it's bulla love for stage and Iran and Shahan. That's the jazz archer who you know.
What do you call it? Can you much call she sige Ken karaoke song in Yen has this caravan.
Oh, Westlife when you're looking like that always.
You are in a catsuit for her. You are like aren't to go my side there.
5'10", short king. So yeah.
5'10", short king. Yeah, absolutely. Oh my god.
Could you do on karaoke?
I can't will more on karaoke. Photograph by Nickelback. Shannon Kennan Yanim saying could you smoke. So it's banger eh?
Ní rud mór karaoke in Aaron. Má clear cloisian dú Americaní ar phodchraoladh bín siad gcónaí ra ó Sean Toran a Canam as bín cean ocu mar gnéanaan siad go réalta sinna.
Yeah.
So ní lesa gom. Bidr rud é gna One Direction bidr.
Genny to the One Direction like Niall Horan was in statue.
Oh. Well, he made 3 jaggeries ar as a
house. Rutachéniu, bí anra Rutachéniu.
No, bhí mós ar gúil na James.
Yeah.
As a crushal agus glach me fian agus an méidir go like lushan a mis scradial story of my life. Ní hig la fiú nail lustal, so scris me dú héine, but no he mis go session inta.
Yeah.
When my ansalt as a girl crimson.
Harrow Michelle, yeah, Michelle Steve Lacey, I'm too cool, the Niall Horan, come on, sorry.
You need too basic lure when you
know. Well, I mean, this is scarred and Ari got like gigs lumsa.
Yeah. So I can ask like EP gone about stuck at the hip, agus about a really mental hostel because crazy horse, agus.
It's Brad at 100 gex, famously. I think we know it's like a Asian James Ahawangla like sad acoustic fellas.
Like Keen to Crow vibes.
Yeah.
Chin James.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, genuinely, an Oran away and you check Asia basically.
So
well, like you
No, like Spotify radio Keen to Crow, Shannon Ruther Wayne.
So Nerviner tourist Bohri and Le James.
Oh, it's fucking
Dolly. So Virm sa timach o gali go bel first Le James. Agus ina horan go brona. Either na hikin brona have a couple count like Kyol Tira o Connemara. Just masky stahan a visha. Ufasa. As he look to do secure bigger.
No, because you want to go on a roller coaster and there's a gar Thomas. It's a roller coaster of emotions. It's small of on.
That roller coaster we should just called Jira Shisto and Amerfad if it was just Arnie Bronock.
Kind of sounds like my love life.
That word nar crash she in car. She was just like I can't deal with this anymore.
I don't know. Ní lisa go man yarn would read phodchraoladh nar Louis James seal grass again.
Yeah, I don't think so.
It's such a clear old.
A
Lauren James when a heel grass.
At a galore quite old Thomas on the leisure phodchraoladh. Yeah.
Binarte Yanu. And it's Sraith. Lads, Shim Gabishan, Shim Gagamich Creek Lash Road. So
Jamie Webster, he's a bore starring.
Yeah, Jamie Webster's more
Chance Liverpool flush out.
Oh, for God's sake. Well, the Cardi Gaeilge, Mina Mai was at the Vinchalish, the Shansi, the Majin Shah, and the man shows the Foster, and the Shansi or Instagram, the Shansi or YouTube, the Shansi or Twitter. Yeah, Sinead Mata the Gary, anywhere, Amshu, and the man hosted the Tashi more, anywhere or Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, anywhere or TikTok. Mata the Gary James Flarta, I'm sure the man hosted the more Flartak or Instagram, Flartak or Twitter, Flartak or TikTok.
Agus Matt Gary Mahain Amsterdam the man hosted the time we're Hugh Carr here or Twitter Hugh Carr here no claps that's great yeah Grandma Hugh Carr
Deirdre Thurston
Agus gná Hugh Carr
TikTok Grandma Bishop be with the rash reach and Agra chugging la Agra other than the chance Agadishan putting you salt as electric picnic good luck